bankrupt. But when you are aligned with God, when your steps are ordered, when your motives are purified, you begin to experience a kind of success that no paycheck can ever provide. That is the success of the soul. That is the wealth that does not wither. That is the blessing that overflows from the unseen into the visible. People will ask, how did it happen? How did you get from not enough to more than enough? And you will not be able to explain it by charts or formulas. You'll simply say, it was God. Because when God does it, the fingerprints are too divine to be explained away by coincidence. It will not be strategy that delivered you. It will be surrender. Not your schemes, but your submission, not your plans, but your patience. Because when God opens the door to your finances, it won't be ordinary. It will carry the unmistakable mark of heaven. You must understand, God doesn't open doors just to fill your account. He opens them to fulfill His purpose. When He lifts you, it's not just for your comfort. It's for His glory. So you must ask yourself today, am I ready to carry the weight of blessing with the strength of integrity? Because blessing without character is a curse in disguise. God is not raising up people who are just rich. He is raising up people who are righteous, people who won't bow to the idols of greed, people who won't trade their calling for cash, people who won't sell their soul for worldly applause.